Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I had to stop the whole video and do the whole intro over again. But anyways, as I was saying, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining us. Tonight we're going to be doing truth or drink. So you have to tell the truth. If you don't want to tell the truth, then you just pass and drink. So how we're going to do the question, then we're just going to make everybody yeah guys, so as we did I say, the questions you're gonna make them up, and if you don't want to answer then you just pass. Alright Kitty, so first question, what was the last thing you searched on Google?
Pass.
Oh, what you search on Google, so? Mighty God, Kitty. Oh, what you could have searched on Google so make you happy drink.
People don't tell you don't nice.
Alright, my turn. Ask me.
Alright. When last did you have a really good conversation with a man? Not in a line?
Me not tell a lie, but me not remember. It's been a while.
Just say no.
It's been a while since I've had a deep conversation with a man. Honestly, a long time I not talk to a man deep conversation wise. I've tried to, but it look like nobody don't want me. Sometimes I wonder if shit in my mouth. I would try growing on my parade. That's why nobody don't want me. It's sad.
The man say, you don't think that shit, man.
Which man is so?
Oh, man. So the man said, me more think, man.
Which man tell us you?
Oh, man. No,
Oh.
over the other side and the tell the man
We
over
think
the
about
other
because we know that
side.
never happen around me. But anyways, my question. Truth. When when was the last time? No, wait. Have you ever sucked it before? You have to tell the truth, you know.
Have the man, you know, and the man that was you know want that. But Jesus Christ, if me catch one, God come. Me
Never ask you that though. That's not the question. The question is if can we eat?
Me did have to do it, but my mind did change.
Bro, you still not answer the question.
No.
The question is exactly
Then
a yes or no. Me they ask you.
Me did that.
Why you dark? Ask me.
Jesus Christ, for your question is complicated, you know. You know, do nothing.
Boring.
Boring. Boring.
Kitty, me guys ask me drink
When
something.
was
Me
the last
thirsty.
time you had sex? Just
I win.
drink. Jesus Christ, you know have sex on that time.
No, me not remember I win. Wait, now me remember I tell you I win.
You know have sex on that time, so then me tell you to drink longer time for now.
Me have sex, man. Me just not tell you.
You know have no sex. But they run it every day.
So you tell everybody so me not have no sex for Kitty. Why you make me look so soft? No,
Oh,
sir.
God.
Alright, if you have to choose between the two, walk around naked or have your thoughts in a caption over your head. Everywhere you go, people see your thoughts.
Walk around naked. You know
That's
my
what your
thoughts?
thoughts
My thoughts I'm dirty, you know?
I like.
God forever. You know,
Alright.
before you done talk. Who is your biggest crush?
I don't know. In all honesty, I think if I have a crush, if I did have a crush, I can't say it. Don't. That means I don't have no
You
crush.
don't say
then.
longer time for now.
I don't have nobody with me a crush pan. I don't see nobody with me that say, yo, yeah.
High school days that.
Boy, I'm not telling a lie. The truth is, like relationship with a male right now, my mindset is not there anymore because I've been hurt a lot. Like trust me, I'm not gonna say I'm hurt. I've been hurt. So I'm not in a relationship with no man right now. And then I like females, but most of the girls them just they don't want nobody, them lie. So yeah, me not no crush.
True.
Same question.
Eh?
Same question for you. Me
Me
still
have
a drink.
one crush, but oh my God, me not like him carry on.
I will.
Me can't call him name.
Of course.
Me can't call him name.
Then the most truth you have to
I
tell.
don't know his name.
When name Kitty?
Cause me don't know his name. Me just see him and love him off.
Oh.
His body nice. Me show you when me got him on the video. Me ever look on him. He look for me now. He nasty. Me like
Oh
hate things.
God. This ain't no smile. Don't let me say about you can't talk to him, but then I feel like you're back.
Then one time me was sketching here, catch me today, and today here man. Why you staring at me?
And what did you say?
Maybe say kuya Oksana. I mean I look at him man, you know. Me gotta go about my business and he might
Dirty
see me a
boy.
stare upon him. He nice though.
Alright, my turn now. You feel ask me.
I'm feel so.
But as I drink people cause me now get none for pass yet, so me I drink. Me thirsty.
Bad.
Mm.
Would you like to have more kids in the future or no?
Yeah.
Like how much?
I would. I've always wanted to have like 4 kids. So me then probably have 2 more.
Son.
Our daughter no matter, but me don't want a son too.
Yeah.
But it really matter to me. You know what gender. But me
True.
afraid though cause he hot. So kinda afraid. But me don't have them though. Me don't mind. Your question. Would you go in a relationship with girls, like a straight up marriage type of relationship?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Then the must.
Okay.
All that woman do.
Or like
Like nah we 10 years older, we have money.
Lord Kitty, me a talk love brother.
Then me no love no money.
Jesus Christ, have mercy for me soul.
Then no money.
Alright then, so alright then. No, me not argue.
Same question for you.
Yeah. And me not like all man. So, well, me not really mind the age, but me want one nice, sexy, pretty. Me not care your color, I just want to see you nice and sexy. You know say me don't fuck such man or man. You know me at all?
It's such man a ring man bill.
Such man or man. She have a buzz. She nice. Yeah?
I say, ow.
He nice dog. But don't put one pan him in all honesty, but
Jaja God.
don't violate, you know?
Jaja God.
I hope ask.
You can't bother.
Oh, truth. Alright. If you have a friend, or your friend have a man, and them left, and you and the friend vex, you don't go back to that the man and tell that the man the things about the friend.
No, sir. From we say we are friend, and when get those part, we still a friend.
Or when you and the person vex, me
No
say.
business about that. Me nah go talk back.
Alright, your turn.
But maybe that lucky man if he turn good.
Lord God! That girl, yeah.
A joke.
Your turn, man. You stress out my nerves. My nerves
Alright.
paining me.
Somebody ask me a question. Let me ask you. Would you have a threesome with 2 guys?
Whoa.
Somebody ask me a question. It just coming on me.
Unless my first suck a dog and a 2 nice man we just.
Aye?
Man, I know, yo! But if you do that, then I probably want to put in your body.
Somebody asked me today. I may feel easy.
Cause when I go, oh, I forgot to say, when I go to the mouth, I want to go to the pum pum.
Depends. Can you say some man nasty?
Me not know, sir. Well, it depends. It depends. If I just feel like a bitch, I feel like I just fuck you, but I don't know. Probably not.
Me think about it. Me that think about it. Me say they have a buzz.
Would you take sex in your bottom?
Eh?
You're not taking in your body.
Me nah say nah, you know, cause you don't know where future holds for you. Me nah say nah. Me nah say me nah do it. Because you go say you nah do it and then you go end up come right back around come hit you.
Yeah.
Me nah say me nah. Nothing know, but me nah say me nah do it.
Yeah. You understand?
Mm.
Alright then, guys. that was it for this video. If you want more video like this, comment more and we will do more. And you can also comment the questions underneath this video and we will do them for you guys. So big up on a nice clean self. Check us back for another videos. Don't go nowhere. Videos will be uploaded on a rapid web. That's what we're trying to do. Upload lots of videos so you can have content. But look, when I have to watch the video, them don't keep on the ass watch the video them to the end. Bye.